Hi, this is Brian. Today I'm coming at you from Adam's Garage, where we are working on George's Farmall H once again. This is George's 1944 Farmall H. Adam is busy working on the wiring harness. It has a new wiring harness in it, but we're wrapping the harness with black friction tape. The H is in superb shape. We have the tank out because we found a little bit of rust inside the tank. And George is standing here with the tank. He's busy cleaning the inside of the tank out. And we did find a little tiny bit of rust inside the tank. I guess you won't be able to see it. But we have a 3-part kit that we're going to reline the tank with. George, I want to ask you a question. You've owned this H, or your family has owned this H, since it was brand new. Is that correct?
Yep.
Do you remember when it was delivered?
Yep.
Think of the hours that you've spent on this tractor.
Yeah, my freshman, junior, senior year.
Plowing the fields in southern Minnesota,
Yep.
listening to WCCO on the radio.
Well, I didn't have a radio on this one when I was growing up.
Oh,
That came later.
that came later. Okay. Well, it's going to be in fantastic shape here in just a little bit. So we're going to seal the tank. We're busy working on the bolster, and I'll make another video of putting the bolster shaft in.
I'll take a picture of the pictures when I got it.
Oh, a picture of when the tractor was new. Yes.
No, I mean when I got it.
George was explaining that somewhere in the video I should show a picture of what the tractor looked like before George started the restoration process, because it's in fantastic shape now.
When I found it in the barn.
When George found it in the barn. Okay, so we're going to start by putting the stage 1 of the cleaner kit into the tank, and then I'll report later how this goes. Thank you once again. This is Brian, and have fun working on your old tractor.